Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. One of my friend recommended a book to me, so today I wanted to share it with you. That is, You Can Heal Your Life. It's an amazing book. I have learned so much from this book. So today I wanted to share with you some of the knowledge which I got from this book. A research has been done on this thing that whenever a person is behaving badly with other person, it has more to do with the person who is behaving badly, because uh, it has been analyzed that for some reason the same behavior that person has also seen in his or her life, and that's why they pass it on. So this is a research which has been done, and many books have been written on this. So this book also throws light on this topic. I will try to cover three areas from this book for you, which I found very exciting. So let's start. First is relationships. She has discussed about this thing that if you have a spouse which you feel that he is cold and unloving, so she says that we should check our childhood beliefs and what we have seen in our childhood with our parents, and that makes a very huge impact on our thinking, how we think about our partner. So this one thing she has she has emphasized a lot on this thing. Next is that whenever a child irritates you and you don't like the habit of a particular habit of a child, and you feel that it's very irritating, we should check upon ourselves, because child just imitates us. So it's basically our habit and what he or she is imitating. So again, there's a self check. So as she talks about self love, and we have already discussed so much about self love, but self check is also important. So this is one thing she has covered. Next is work. In work life also, she has told the importance of affirmation and gratitude, because these affirmations are very important. Affirmations, example she has given is that I like my work, and opportunities are everywhere for me. These affirmations are very important, because whatever we say with an energy, and that energy is, we all are, it's all about the energy. So if we believe that there are no opportunities for us, nothing can be done for us, and I don't like my job, and why I'm stuck into this, that energy is created that way, and we are not able to progress. So she has emphasized a lot on this thing. And she says that always have a gratitude for everything you have, because whatever we have, people are still yearning for it. They're trying to achieve that what we have already. So this is one thing she has talked about, and it's a very practical thing. And third one is body. So she has talked about the body and the health part, and she says that she has told about some very important areas. Like, she has told that if you have a throat infection, or you have, some people have constantly this problem of throat infection, or anything related to throat. So she says that whenever we feel that we want to speak for ourselves, and we are not able to speak that much for ourselves, and we feel that we are subjected to some dominating behavior or something, at that time we develop this problem of throat. So this is one thing. Second is, she talks about lungs. She says that women traditionally suffers a lot from lung problems, and she now it is changing. So this lung problem, again, it was due to this thing that they were feeling choked to say what they wanted to say. Now it is changing, definitely. Now women are more out there, and speaking their things. So this research has been done that this problem is now also reducing. So it's all connected, our energy, our mind, our thoughts, our health. So we should be very very careful about these things. And we should not feel that, okay, why I'm having this problem, why I'm stuck into this. There is some origin in your energy and your thoughts. That's why they say that your thoughts are very very important. Your thoughts creates your energy, and your energy creates your life. That is so true. Next one is cancer. Cancer, she has discussed about it that deep resentment, for other person, so that causes cancer. So it's a big revelation, that this resentment of ours which we keep for other person, it burns us, and it creates problems in us, and the other person does not get affected by that, and we only get affected by that, and we develop these serious problems. So somewhere we need to check these things, whether we should not be entangled in those things, resentment, negative energy, blaming others. It doesn't help, rather we should, even I would not say that I am 100% out of it. I'm still trying, and we should always try, whenever you get these kind of thoughts, just keep a check and see, oh no, I am going into the negative mood again. So try to ease things a little up, try to take things lightly, and don't be so serious about yourself also. That's very important. Next is stomach. If we have stomach problems, people have stomach problems generally. So she has related it to scared behavior. She is telling that when we are afraid of of things, then we get this stomach problems. So again, it's related to our energy. So we should definitely take care of these things. And next one is headache. If you are having severe headaches, and like frequent headaches, so it's caused by self criticism, when you don't like yourself. I am not saying that because you have headache, this is the only reason that you are self criticizing yourself, but these factors plays an important role when you get these kind of illness. So that's why it is very important to take care of your thoughts, your emotions, your mental health, and that's why we should meditate daily, and we should start taking responsibility of our own thoughts and our health, rather than blaming other people. I am also trying to do that, and I've basically started all the affirmations also, and it feels great, so just try these affirmations, and I will definitely in the description box I will share you all the affirmations for the body and health, and and for work and everything. So please see that, and if you get a chance, please get this book. It's a very good book. I'll share the link in the description box, and when you read this book, then you get so many answers. Why this is happening to me, why I have this health problem. Everything is there in this. So if you see, there is a section here where she has given for each and everything, for every body part. See, she has given overweight. For overweight, she has given oversensitivity often represents fear and shows a need for protection when we are oversensitive. And then she has given the affirmation. I am protected by love. I am always safe and secure. I am willing to grow up. So this is the section where she has given the organ and or the problem, and then the reason for that and the affirmation for that. We should definitely start using these affirmations. There are affirmation cards also available out there, and you can just try these things. They are very important. They change your energy, and our children will also learn these things. So I just wanted to share this book with you. It's a very good book. You should definitely get it and spend some time with this book. And if you have anything to share or comment, please share it in the comment section. I would really look forward to that. And if you like my video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. And please don't forget to click the bell icon, because it will give you my regular video updates. Thank you so much. Ciao.